Hey everyone, Dave here. Dell had a partnership with the Poly headset brand to basically white label the Poly headsets and stamp it with the Dell logo on those headsets. But recently, HP bought out the Poly headset brand, which means that Dell had to make a pivot into manufacturing their own headsets. This is the Dell WL3024 Bluetooth wireless headset for Teams and Zoom. We're gonna see what this headset is all about, and they claim to have AI uplink noise cancellation technology built in, and we're gonna put it to the test against barking dogs and people talking in the background later on in this video. Now, before we get into the rest of this review, we are releasing a brand new noise canceling software. So even if your headset doesn't have the best noise canceling microphone, it can become a great noise canceling microphone and block out all the background noise like barking dogs and people talking in the background. Have a quick listen for yourself.
Now this is AirPods with a roaring blender. This is what it sounds like. All right, now this is AirPods with the neep.com software with a roaring blender. That's what it sounds like.
To learn more, go to neep.com and enter your email to get a free month of premium access. When opening the box, the headset was in the cloth bag that it comes with, and I couldn't help but feel like I was Santa Claus digging through his bag looking for the headset, as it's an oversized bag and it was kind of difficult to find and pull out, but the cloth material is extremely soft and it has a drawstring bag. In the box, you get the headset, the Bluetooth USB adapter, you get the USB-C to USB-C braided cable, and you also get a USB-C to USB-A converter in case your computer only has USB-A ports. The design of the Dell WL3024 is worn over the head and covers both ears. It's mostly black, except for the speaker housing is half wrapped in this cloth material, giving it a modern and sleek design. The headband is wrapped with this leatherette material, and it has a soft cushion at the top to improve for comfort. The speaker height is adjustable. It slides into the headband so you can adjust it for the perfect fit. And I'm not sure if this is a feature that Dell built intentionally, but you can twist the speaker in order to lock the positioning of the height so you can leave it at the perfect setting for you. I like that you can rotate the speakers a full 180 degrees, and also the microphone boom can be worn either on the right side or left side, which is convenient. And the speaker ear cushions are made from a memory foam type material that make them extremely soft. The microphone boom is a bit of a weird design, as it is not a bendable microphone boom. So if you try to put the mic closer to your mouth, the speaker kind of pulls away from your ear. So that means you gotta leave the microphone kind of far away from your mouth, and looks a bit funky and could impact microphone performance. There are 6 physical buttons on the headset. You have your power pairing button, volume up, down, pause, play, which is also your call, answer, end. You have your mute microphone button and also your dedicated Teams button. There's a USB-C port for charging on the bottom of the headset. When wearing the microphone boom on the right side, the buttons are forward facing, which makes for an awkward experience, as I'm used to using my thumbs. So you have to kind of change the way you press the buttons, which is a bit awkward. And the pause play button does have some bumps, but you can't really feel the difference between that button and the volume buttons. Setting up the headset is extremely simple. You plug in the Bluetooth USB adapter and tap the power button, and the headset is automatically prepared and ready to go. And if you want to pair it up to your smartphone, you'll press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then you'll connect on your smartphone to the Dell headset. Switching the audio from computer to smartphone was simple and easy. It goes to the source that you start the audio and won't switch until you pause on that. So for example, the computer, if you're playing audio, you won't be able to listen to smartphone audio until you pause the computer audio. The headset uses Bluetooth version 5.3, and one feature I noticed immediately was regards to the speakers. Typically with other headsets, When you're on an active phone call or video meeting, the sound quality turns to really poor audio quality for music. It doesn't sound good at all. However, with the Dell wireless headset, when you're on a call or video meeting, it maintains that high quality audio. So you could actually be in a video meeting and also listen to music using the 28mm speakers. Sounds pretty good. You can download the Dell Peripherals app in order to manage the headset. You can update the firmware, see the battery life, and even adjust settings like the side tone level, turn on or off the noise canceling mic feature, and much more. Most of the new headsets coming out has active noise cancellation feature. However, the Dell headset does not. So that means if you're in an open office environment with loud noises, you're limited to the passive noise cancellation, which there's not much with this headset. The 500 milliamp hour battery provides 26 hours of talk time or over 40 hours of listening time. And for most people, that will last an entire week without needing to be recharged. You recharge the headset with the USB-C cable included. However, what I found interesting is most other brands of headsets allow you to use the headset as a wired headset, but when you have the Dell headset plugged in, it only charges. You can't use it as a full wired headset. Overall, the comfort is pretty good on this Dell headset. It's lightweight. There's not a ton of pressures on your ear, and the ear cushions with the memory foam just feel really soft. The headset is optimized to work on Microsoft Teams and Zoom. So what that means is not only the speakers and microphone works, but also you can answer and end calls completely wirelessly away from the desk with a push of a button on the headset. There's a dedicated Microsoft Teams button, and if you single press it, it will launch your Microsoft Teams application so it's front and center. And if you're on a video meeting and you press and hold that Teams button, it will raise your hand. The mute button also syncs with the app so you can wirelessly be away from the desk. Press the mute button and it will either mute or unmute the application. As well, when you raise the microphone boom, it will mute, and when you lower it down, it will unmute as well. When you're on an active Zoom or Teams call, there is a red LED light to let others around you know that you're busy on a call and not to be disrupted. But I did find that the light is covered with the cloth material, which kind of makes the light a little more dim. Now let's put the Dell AI noise cancellation technology to the test. Have a listen to how it performs. This is what it sounds like in a quiet environment on the Dell WL3024. This is what it sounds like. Now this is with the Neep software. This is what it sounds like in a quiet environment. Now this is what it sounds like with barking dogs going on in the background. This is what it sounds like. Now this is with the Neep noise canceling software with barking dogs in the background. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with office noises going on in the background. This is what it sounds like. Now this is office noises with the Neep noise canceling software. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with crying babies going on in the background. This is with the Neep noise canceling software with crying babies going on in the background. And this is what it sounds like with typing going on in the background. And this is typing with the Neep noise canceling software. This is what it sounds like. And this is what it sounds like with a blender roaring in the background. And this is with Neep and a blender going on in the background. What did you think of the microphone performance? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, overall, I thought the microphone performed quite decently, had good sound quality, and pretty decent job at canceling out background noise. But headsets in general are limited on how much noise it can cancel because it requires a lot of computing power. So if you want the best noise cancellation for peace of mind, download the Neep noise canceling software. Now, we paid just over $170 for the Dell WL3024, which I think is competitively priced considering all the features and benefits of this particular headset. I think Dell did a great job of manufacturing their own Bluetooth headset, which isn't surprising because Dell is not new to manufacturing. There are some improvements that they could have made that I mentioned earlier in this video, but overall, solid wireless Bluetooth headset for Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Now, if you're looking for an option that's lower in cost, look at the Discover Boomstick Wireless. This is available in a single or dual speaker option, and the price is under $100 and even includes the charging stand, which is an incredible deal. We'll have a link in the video description below. There's thousands of available wired and wireless headsets on the market. So if you're not sure which one's best for your phone system, your environment, your phones or equipment, that's what our team here at Headset Advisor does. So give us a call, email, or live chat, and one of our experts will give you a free recommendation. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you want to see a review of that low-cost alternative Boomstick Wireless, check that video out there. We do a full review so you can hear it for yourself. Other than that, thanks a lot for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.